welcome to my channel, and today I am going to tell you the most important tool which is used for retrieving the data more effectively, which is WHERE clause. So the SQL WHERE clause is used to specify a condition while fetching the data from single table or by joining the multiple tables. So if we have given condition is satisfied, then only it returns a specific value from the table. It is used for retrieving the data by putting the certain conditions to it. You should use WHERE clause to filter the records and fetching only the necessary records. The WHERE clause is not only used in select statement, but it is also used in update, delete statement, etc., which we would examine in the subsequent videos. You can specify a condition using comparison or logical operators that we have seen earlier, like greater than, less than, equal to, like, not, etc. This is the basic syntax of the WHERE clause. It comes after the select statement and from. So let me show you how to use WHERE clause in the different scenarios. This is the SQL command line interface. So in this case we are using EMP table. I have already created and inserted values in this table. Let me show you. Select star from EMP. So these are the many values present in this table. Totally 14 records are present. So let me show you just EMP number, ename and job. So for this, select EMP number, comma, ename, comma, job from EMP. These are the three columns of our EMP table. So if we want to use WHERE condition, if we want to filter the data only the single record for employee number, so in this case we are using 7788. If we just want this record, we can give like this. Select star from, in this case we will use EMP name, EMP number, ename, job from EMP. After that we have to give WHERE condition, where EMP number is equal to 7788. In this case we have retrieved only the data for employee number 7788. We can also use a WHERE clause in the data manipulation commands. Let me show you how. Delete from EMP table where EMP NO equals to 7788. So one row is deleted. Let me show you. Select star from EMP table. In this 7788 record is absent. Here you can see there is no employee number with 7788. If you want the employee name for a specific employee number, we can do that. So in this case, if you want employee name of the employee number 7902, we can give like this. Select employee name from EMP table where EMP NO equals to, we can give any number. So in this case we will give 7499, 7499, hitting semicolon, we will get that Alan. In the next example, if we want the name of the employees having salary more than 1000 rupees, we can do that like this. Select ename from emp table where sal greater than 1000. So we will get the names of the employees having the salary more than 1000. In the next example, if you want the names of the employees having the department number equals to 20, we can do that like this. Select employee name from emp table where DEPTNO means department number equals to 20 semicolon. We will get the name of the employees having the department number 20. So we have understood what is the where clause and how to use it in the select statement as well as in the data manipulation statements like the delete command. As you can see, it is one of the most powerful tool for retrieving the data by using the filter conditions. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also ring the notification bell to get further notified.